bearded man sitting in the street, playing for those moving feet. Well, it's all that he knows, ain't playing for fame, just looks for a handful of change and some hate how he gets down. Well, he's got a sound, and that sound keeps him playing. That sound could steal a show. A drunk rebel boy playing in the pub, getting paid in beer and some grub. Well, it's all that he knows, he ain't playing for fame, just likes how it feels on the stage, and some hate how he gets down. Well, he's got a sound, and that sound keeps him playing. That sound could steal the show. Well, a middle-aged woman on an open mic night, she ain't a looker, but her sound's dynamite, and it's all that she knows, and she played for fame. Now she's got another reason to play, and some hate how she gets down. Well, she's got a sound, and that sound should be playing on tour in the big show. But it doesn't matter anyway, 'cause all she wants to do